I won't erase it, so if you find it, it'll still work.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. You know what, to be on the safe side, if you can erase it.
I could if you want me to.
Yeah. Because I don't know where it's at. I don't know if I dropped it out here. You know what I mean?
Okay. Coming in?
Just in case.
Show it. Show it for the camera.
Huh?
Show it for the camera.
Damn.
Damn. Let's turn this off. All right, we're going to erase all keys first. Well, here, look. Right, let's go escape. So we're going to total keys, 3. Erase keys. We're going to erase all keys. Total keys 0. All keys have been erased. It says ignition off, so we'll leave it off. It's usually faster. We'll get another machine. I don't know what it's doing. Got a good battery right here. North America, Dart, 12 to 18, 5 key. Yes. I'll type in that password myself. Nope. Cardboard key 0. Okay. Please wait patiently. See, that one went a lot faster. I took it right away. Next key now. There we go.
Yeah, man. Sigh of relief, bro.
Yeah. For me too, because I erased all keys first, and then I don't know why that other machine wasn't taking the key, but then I took it with this one, so we're good.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
It's real shit. You don't have no idea.
Yeah.